9 foods to avoid if you have loose motions. It is not really pleasant to talk about diarrhea or more commonly known as loose motions, but each one of us has been in this uncomfortable situation at least a few times in our lives. Bacteria and viral infections are the most common cause of diarrhea, which is primarily characterized by loose stools. You may get infected mostly through what you eat or drink, and therefore it is extremely important to be cautious while eating out. However, if you end up contracting food poisoning or any other infection, you may have to run to the restroom a little too often till your body fights off to infections completely. Of course, there is a lots of that you can do to case the discomfort like drinks lots of water and but there are some foods that you may want to avoid if you are suffering from loose motions. Dairy product. You must avoid food like milk, cheese or butter as they contain sugar in the form of lactose and it may warms your sympathies. Excessively sweet foods. Mingling on sugar fruit is often linked with excess gas, cramping, water stools, and abdominal pain. Fructose in fruits and refined sugar used in bank item processed food and your daily cup of tea or coffee can draw water into the large intestine or prevent it from absorbing the water leading to more loose motions. Fatty foods. Fried or greasy foods or those that are loaded with cream and other fats should be strictly avoided. Fruit juices. While is it advisable to take a lots of water to replenish the fluent lots of your body during your frequent trips to the restroom and avoid dehydration. Fruit juices are not recommended. This juice may contain sugar. It is concentrate from and too much sugar is not good for your sensitive bowel system. Certain vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, beans, onions, and cauliflower should be avoided as if they tend to cause gas in stomach while digestion and since your system is comprised it may aggressive by sympathins share nutritions Praveen Sharma. Fiber rich food. The same goes for fiber rich whole grain. They are healthy, but in case of loose motion, they may not really help as they have a laxative effect. This simply means that they bind with the water in your stomach and stimulate your bowel movement while can make you rush to the washroom more often. Caffeine. If you have not able to pull through the day without a cup of tea or coffee, but it is best to avoid. Caffeine may stimulate the gut to contract more quickly, making the food more fastly without being absorbed properly. It may even cause acidity adding to your digestive wall. Alcohol. Have you ever had too much alcohol one night and then woken up with an upset stomach? Spicy food and masalas are often known as irritate the stomach lining. The body may sense this as a problem and send more water to your gut in order to soothe. The excess water makes a food moves faster through your intestines which may ultimately leads to loose stools.